Hello folks, I want to quickly and simply explain what sine, cosine, and tangent are. They are not nearly as complicated as they were described to me when I was in junior high and high school, and probably a lot simpler than they've been explained to you. Sine, cosine, and tangent are simply comparisons of the length of one side of a triangle to another side. For example, if this is the angle, the sine of that angle is the length of the opposite side of the triangle divided by the length of the longest side, the hypotenuse. The cosine is the adjacent length of that side divided by the hypotenuse or the longest side. And then the tangent is simply however long this side is divided by however long this side is. Simple. Quick test. Take your calculator and type in tangent of 45. Here's a 45-degree triangle. You can see both sides are the same length. If you type in tangent of 45, the answer is going to be 1, because this length divided by that length is 1. They're both the same. It's always 1. The next question I'm asked is, what's a practical application of this? Why would anybody ever need to know this? Well, here's an example. Let's say you're driving down the road and there's a sign that says 5-degree incline for the next mile. Well, what does that look like? Here's the mile you're going to drive. Here's the incline. That's the incline, and you want to know how tall that is. How much elevation did we climb? And I said, that's 5 degrees here, this angle. Well, you take out your calculator to figure out what sine is, and it's 0.087. And the sine, remember, is the length of this side divided by that. So if I multiply it by 5,280 feet, 460 feet is the elevation you'll climb in 1 mile at 5 degrees. Simple example, but that shows you the power of sine, but also how simple sine, cosine, and tangent are. You can understand this. Good luck as you continue to learn math.